Hello and welcome. Let us see this question that was there in the year 2018 and is related to the organizations that look after the pollution. So the question is, how is the National Green Tribunal different from the Central Pollution Control Board? Number one, the NGT has been established by an act, whereas the CPCB has been created by an executive order of the government. Number two, the NGT provides environmental justice and helps reduce the burden of litigation in the higher courts, whereas the CPCB promotes cleanliness of streams and wells and aims to improve the quality of air in the country. Now, as far as these organizations are concerned, first NGT was formed in the year 2010 under National Green Tribunal Act, National Green Tribunal Act of the year 2010 only, and CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board, is also a statutory body. This is also a statutory body that is formed through an act in the year 1974 under Water Prevention and Control of Pollution, Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974. Also, through Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act of 1981, various powers related to control of air pollution was added or entrusted under CPCB only. So these two acts, they provide basically powers to CPCB. Hence CPCB is also not a executive body but statutory body. So first statement is incorrect. As far as second statement is correct, the NGT provides environmental justice and helps reduce the burden of litigation in the higher courts. Yes, this is the function of NGT as the principal bench and 5 other benches of NGT across the country. They provide environmental justice, and cases related to environment are shifted into National Green Tribunal, and they can issue penalty or give orders related to control of pollution. As far as CPCB is concerned, it promotes cleanliness of streams and wells under Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974 and aims to improve the quality of air in the country under Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. So second statement is correct. CPCB is the body which looks after National Ambient Air Quality Standards. CPCB notifies 12 pollutants under this National Air Quality Standards. So the release of these 12 pollutants are notified by CPCB. So our answer for this question will be B, 2 only. Thank you.